This is Minute English. 4th of July is when we celebrate freedom in the United States of America. One expression that we use is free as a bird when we're talking about someone who has no responsibilities. They are as free as a bird. They don't have obligations. They don't have worries like we have worries. They can go wherever they want. Like a bird can fly wherever it wants. Now, if you were financially free, you had no concerns about money, what would you do right now if you were free as a bird when it comes to money? Let us know.